had no cartilage left in my knees. They were both down bone on bone. So, in fact, I found that out when I came back from my checkup from my hip, and they started hurting, and I said, could you please look into this for me? And Dr. Schneider did, and found out that I needed to have them done, and he was very forthcoming and left it up to me as to when I felt that I should have it done. I had him do my first knee in August here, and I had fantastic results, so I needed my other knee also done. And I had that done last November. People were very, very friendly, accommodating, always checking on me. I had very little pain after my surgeries. I went home and I had awesome recoveries from both knees. And then I didn't have to stay more than 23 hours, which was good for me because I don't like to be sitting down and not having anything to do too much. So can't complain. We went on a trip in last February, went down to San Juan, went through the whole castle, went up and down all the stairs, everything. I had no problems whatsoever. So very excited about the whole stay. I can't say enough about this surgery center. If I would have to have anything else done and it could possibly be done here, I would have it done here, absolutely.